Guess what we woke up to? Snow. Hello and welcome back. We are Lacey and Jordan, and as you know, we spent 2020 building out this 2008 Mercedes Sprinter. We travel around with our two pups, Bub and Lou, and we're excited that you've joined along for the adventure. We want to show you some of the most hidden and beautiful spots on Vancouver Island. So here's where we slept last night. Blue skies and sunny. This is what we woke up to. So a little change of plans. Seems like Strathcona is just like that right now. So we came back to Strathcona because we had a photo shoot. I don't know if you guys all know, but Jordan and I do some part-time modeling. So we were at Meyer Falls yesterday and it was blue sky and sunny and like beautiful. And then of course, just, wake up to snow. So yeah, our plan was to be here down at this river spot, which is not technically a camping spot, but somewhere that Jordan and I found and that we really, really love. So we were going to be down here for a couple days, but with the weather the way that it is, it's going to be hard for Jordan to go fishing. All the rocks here are really slippery with the snow. So yeah, we've decided we're just going to kind of keep moseying on. So we're going to head probably back to Gold River and then take the back roads out to WOSS. That was kind of our destination plan anyways. So we're gonna head that way and start another adventure. I'm just gonna fill up my water bottle down at the river right here. There's nothing better than really cold river water in the morning. Last year this time we were swimming in here. We stayed down here for 2 or 3 days and we literally swam right here. I just can't believe it. The weather is so weird this year. We do have water in our van, but I love these LifeStraw bottles. They purify any water source that you're drinking out of. We take them when we go canoeing and hiking a lot. And I just absolutely love river water. So it's like super fresh, super cold. And with LifeStraw, you don't have to worry at all. So I'm going to drink this and then head back to the van and we're going to make our way. So this is a little look at the van, what it looks like when we are driving. So we just prop up all our extra stuff like our laundry and any extra bags up on the bed. We take everything out of our oven because when we go down the dirt roads, those obviously jangle. We take everything out of our fruit basket because as you can see here, we've learned the hard way that it swings. Just mashes all the bananas and just tidy up everything off of the back counters and everything. So we're just waiting for the stove to finish up and then we'll be on our way. You ready for another adventure?
Always, Mom.
So this is our drive out now that we're all packed up. We have really good snow tires, or all-season tires on our van, but no four-wheel drive, so I'm going to take it nice and slow and try and find some warmer weather.
Hey, perfect. The rake just went by.
Yeah.
The road went.
We just pulled over so we could take a look at these elk. There's a herd passing through up there.
You can see their white butts.
Yeah, you can see their little white butts.
Well, they're big.
Wow, they look little from here. Yeah, there's quite a few of them throughout. Look at that one walking. Hello, Mr. Elk. Oh, do you see them shake? Oh, they look so cute. Guess you picked this CD. Alright, so we made it to WOSS. Ooh, the road into the campground is a bit crazy.
Very steep.
Yeah. So last year when we were here there was a cabin, but you can see it's now collapsed. This is kind of like a forgotten little campground. Here's the van and our spot. Such a nice spot. Now to take the puppies for a little walk. Here's the little beach area of this campsite. It's got beautiful views of the lake.
Huge lake.
Yeah, it's really big. It's a very west coast misty day. Bless you, Lou. A little bit of snow up there. Stay up there, Snow.
Yeah, don't surprise us again.
So we're just gonna go for a little...
Yeah, there's a lot of cougars out here.
Yeah. Oh, Lou, parkour!
Yeah, parkour, Lou.
So we're just gonna go for a little river walk. Get a good stretch on after dinner. And just kind of be out of the van for a little bit. The weather's a little gloomy, but it's not snowy. It's not really rainy, so it's a good time to get out and stretch.
Yeah.
Just found some remnants of a fish. Oh, hi, Bev. Probably dragged up here from a bear. So the whole North Island has been hit recently with a big windstorm. And everywhere we went, we've seen the carnage of it, including this giant tree that has fallen across the little river here.
This one is just about to fall. You can see it's a rock.
Yeah, that one's about to fall too. Another windstorm is going to take that one out.
One slight wind and that's gone.
Yeah, when we were at Myra Falls, we even had seen one of the biggest trees had fallen across the falls. It's pretty crazy to see the carnage. We woke up this morning to the most beautiful day. Once again, moving was a good choice. So the lake is completely glass right now. It's so clear. It rained a little bit last night, but honestly, it sounds so beautiful in the van. We never are sad. So we're gonna take the drone out today so we can show you kind of what this lake looks like, a little bit of the views from the area. Packed up camp and we spent the afternoon looking for this really remote and beautiful lake, and we found it. So right down there is where we're headed next. This road hasn't been used in obviously a really long time, so we're having to do a little road maintenance so that we can get through. Thankfully, Jordan always has his axe handy. Just a mild cleanup of the road. Guess it's safe to say there's probably no one else down here.
And you're like, nope.
Well, we're here.
We had to
Had
scale
to leave the van halfway up the road because it got too steep.
and then had to scale the side of a mountain.
Yeah, Lacey chose to shoot. So we did it. That would have been easier.
Yeah, what we climbed up it was worse than this. So clearly this area is not maintained.
At all. There is a road down there. Well, I don't even know if it's a road. But
There was a road down there.
completely grown over with fallen stuff. We just gotta find Bub and Lou now.
Lou's right there. Bob! There he is.
He's right here.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try and find our way down to the lake now. We just left the lake area, so it was definitely a little bit different than we expected.
Photos are deceiving, my friends.
Yeah, so
Always.
I think that it has definitely grown over a lot since the photos that I have seen. It's an understatement. There is absolutely no beach. There looks like there has been a massive rock slide as well, so it's really, really sketchy to get down. I had to scooch on my butt. And the road is like completely impassable. Like Jordan cut most of the trail, and then it was just like you would have to spend all day with a chainsaw, and then even then you can't even get near the lake. So anyway, so
there'd be no reason for us to drive the van.
yeah, there's no point really driving down. It's better to just walk down. So we finished up there, got lots of really cool drone footage. And now we are just making our way out. Trying not to
Good
get
thing we didn't drive down that hill. We just skidded out hard.
yeah, trying not to get stuck. Yeah, so we're just gonna finish up out in this area and then head back to WOSS and head back to our camping spot, and then maybe get the inflatable kayak out. So that'll be good. It's really sunny. It's really nice out right now. So we're just trying to soak up as much of the day as we can. Okay, we'll see you guys in WOSS. Bye. We just got back from our adventure, and I'm just laying in the van looking out at our view at the WOSS Lake campground. I'm just thinking how amazing it'll be next time that we're here. We'll have our little baby to play on the little tire swing with. I can't wait to show baby all the things. Some fresh tacos.
To Jocko.
And a nice view. A little after dinner play.
You're stealing all the sticks. Come here.
Oh.
Alright. I got a better one.
Jordan's making pancakes all on his own.
Apple pancakes.
Apple pancakes. And right now
Snitching marshmallows.
he's feeling a little overwhelmed because he's doing that and making hot chocolate and trying to steal marshmallows.
I'm burning.
They'll still taste good.
If these fans get too hot.
Yeah.
Where do I put these when I'm done?
The pancakes? In my mouth. We'll eat them as we make them. Verdict of the pancake is so good.
Are they?
They're so good.
Perfect.
Only set off the smoke
Not
alarm
this one.
once.
That one is fucked. Looks like fish and chips.
Yeah, but this one is really good. I think 10 out of 10. Love you.
I love you too, baby.
Just saw a little otter swim by. Jordan's checking him out. Thought it was a beaver, but now we think it's an otter.
Now I'm checking out a sweet stick in the water. He dived. And signing up for the night. We are all settled in, comfy for bed. Staring at the end of WOSS Lake, the river section. Good night. Beautiful morning in the van. Foggy outside.
So we're all packed up and ready to leave WOSS Lake, off to our next spot. Jordan's just on the roof, just making sure everything's good to go. And then we're headed out to Cedar Lake. So we will see you guys next time at Cedar Lake. Bye.